सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यो something happened. Okay, sorry. Now we are on. Welcome to our class. 118th class today. On 8th of January. Today is 118th class. What we did in the previous class, the conversation Delhi Darshanam. Maybe I thought of going over once again to explain the past tense with the participle verbs. So we are also studying Tavatu Pratyanta, the past active participle. So wherever the lung is there, we have to locate and also recall that. If possible, present tense, past tense and participle in a row will do. Srinivas. So agachat. First Ramachandra. Kada agachat dehlitaha. Agachat is a verb in the regular tense, past tense. Regular past tense it is. Of the verb, present tense verb of this is agachati. The present tense verb of this agachat is agachati, is coming, comes. Agachat came. Agatavan participle came. Agachati present tense. Agachat lung past tense. Agatavan tavatu participle form has come. So in the second Chetan's dialogue, Yaha eva agacham. This is Uttama Purusha, first person, singular number in the past tense, in the lung. Agacham. If you remember the other two on the first person, in the first person, agacham, agachava, agachama. So, what is the present tense of this? Agacham, agachami, aham agachami. Agacham past tense, agatavan. Again, participle will be agatavan. In the third person, it will be the same. First person also, it will be the same. So, that is the beauty of participle tavatu pratyanta. When used, you can use it in third person same way, first person same way, and then also second person same way. But if you use a regular verb, imperfect past tense verb, it changes from person to person. So, take for example here, agachat, first sentence. When he came, agacham, I came, it is changed. Agachaha, second person singular, repeat. Tvam kada agachaha. Delhi taha tvam kada agachaha. When did you come from Delhi? So agachaha, it changes. If you take the help of the participle, kada tvam agatavan, aham agatavan, saha agatavan. Agatavan is same in all the three persons. Only you have to take care of the gender. Don't use pullinga gender for strilinga person. That is where, but in the regular verb, gender is not the criterion. It can be used with any gender, but person must be taken care. So Ramachandras. Asit. Now asit has a participle. This is a regular verb. Asti, past tense, asit. Asit, two times. Prapnuvam. Now, prapnuvam is a lung past tense of prapnomi, present tense. Prapnomi, I get, I obtain. Prapnuvam, I got it. I reached. In other words, here, Dashama dinanke prataha eva prapnuvam. Literally, it means I reached, I got to this place on 10th. So, prapnomi, present tense, praptavan. If you take the participle verb, Srinivas, praptavan. Then agachat, once again it is repeated. Agacham is also repeated, we will not go there. Then apashyam. Apashyam, what is the present tense for this? Pashyami. This is first person, past tense. Apashyam, I saw. Kutub Minaram apashyam. I saw Kutub Minar. Kutub Minaram drishtavan. If you take the participle, it becomes drishtavan. And present tense of this is, as I said, pashyami. Okay? Akarot, past tense. What is the present tense for this?
Karoti.
Karoti. third person past tense, karoti. If it were first person, karomi. Second person, karoshi. So participle, if you replace akarot, krutavan. Krutavan. Then apashyam, once again, pashyami becomes apashyam drushtavan. Now here is a regular verb, akaroho. Bhojanartham kim akaroho. What did you do for eating in Delhi? Akaroho, second person singular. What is the present tense of this? Karoshi. What will be the participle verb tavatu? Krutavan. Krutavan. Agachava. Here is another. Agachava. We both came. Gachami. Gachavaha present tense. Gachavaha present tense. Agachava past tense. Agata. Gatavantau will be the participle usage. Gatavan, Gatavantau, two people here. Then Agachava, same way it is there. Akhadava, look at this. Akhadava, we both ate. Khadami, Khadavaha, present tense. Akhadam, I ate. Akhadava, we both ate. Then Khaditavantau, Khaditavantau, we both ate. Asit is then Chetan's dialogue. Anayam. What is the present tense for this? Anayami, I brought. Anayami, Anayam, regular past tense, brought. And Anitavan, in the participle it becomes Anitavan. Getting? We are recalling present, past and participle verbs. Anayami, Anayam, Anitavan. Asan is a regular verb which cannot be derived. So nisthanam. Then finally there is one verb, agachat and ayachat. Agachat, gachati becomes agachat, gatavan in the participle. And the last verb ayachat, present tense is yachati, gives. Yachati, ayachat, dattavan. Dattavan, dayacha, dhatu. Dayacha, dan. So, dattavan. So, this is what I wanted to recall. We'll comfortably go to the next conversation on page 51, please. Varshikotsava Varnanam. Description about annual day in school or somewhere. We'll see. And the highlight of the conversation are the three words here. Naiva, api, samyak. Naiva means emphatically saying na eva. It is something. Naiva, never. Never. Naiva. Not at all. Not at all. Naiva. Aham naiva gacchami. I am not at all going. Naiva karomi. I am not at all doing. Api, which means also. Now these are all avyayas once again. See, avyaya study will be there in a proper way later, but I have been telling from the beginning, these are very, very useful words coming in language without any derivation. If the whole Sanskrit were to be like this, perhaps Sanskrit would have been learnt in 30 days. Like the books are available. Learn any language in 30 days. Naiva api. Samyak. What is the meaning of samyak avyaya? Well, proper. Properly, well, nice, etc. Samyak asti. Katam asti? Samyak asti. How is it? It is very nice. So, naiva is avyaya, api is avyaya, samyak is also avyaya. Let us go, Srinivas. Patni pati conversation here it is. Yahavayam vidyalayasya vashikotsavam gatavatyaha.
Pati says, Karyakramaha katham asit.
Patni says, samyak asit param kinchit dirghaha karyakramaha asit.
Ke karyakrama asan.
Patni says, Nutananam karyakramanam ayojanam krutavantaha. Rajasthani Geetasya Nrutyam Balikanam Asit. Balakanam Hindi Geetasya Nrutyam Asit. Naiva Sikshakanam Samskrita Natakam Asit. Te Samyak Na Krutavantaha. Janaha Api Artham Agnatva Kolahalam Krutavantaha. Patni says, Naiva Arambhe Eva Yuvatinam स्वागत नृत्यम आसीत् अपरः कार्यक्रमः अति विशिष्टः. पत्नी says पंचभूतानां मेलनम इति प्रथमं भूमिः आकाशः पवनः पावकः जलम एतेषां पृथक् नृत्यम् अनन्तरं सर्वेषां मिलित्वा नृत्यं मध्ये मध्ये संभाषणम् इत्युक्ते नृत्यरूपकम् आसीत्.
कार्यक्रमस्तु सम्यक् आसीत् तथैव अलङ्काराः अपि आसन् किम्.
पत्नी says दीपानाम् अलङ्कारः ध्वनिवर्धकानां पुष्पाणां फलानां इत्यादीनां बहुविधाः अलङ्काराः आसन्. So here is a description of an annual day, and Patni opens the conversation. Yaha, yesterday, which is an avyaya. See, we are beginning a sentence here with avyaya. Whether you say yaha, yesterday, adya, today, shvaha, tomorrow, all are avyayas. Yaha, yesterday, adya, today, shvaha, tomorrow. Vayam vidyalayasya varshikotsavam gatavatiyaha. Since she is a woman here, Patni, wife, she is using the participle verb here, Srinivas, watch. Gatavatyaha. Yesterday, yaha, vayam, we, ladies, we mahilaha, we women, vidyalayasya varshikotsavam gatavatya. We went to the annual day of the school. Vidyalayasya varshikotsavam gatavatyah. Gatavati, gatavatyau, gatavat. This is a participle usage in the tavatu, with the tavatu participle, just like we recalled just now. This is in feminine gender. If it were, the speaker were to be male person, then it would have been gatavantaha, gatavan, gatavantau, gatavantaha. If instead of the participle verb, the regular verb were to be used here, then agacham, 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 agachava, agachama, agachama would come there. We went. Yaha vayam vidyalayasya varshikotsavam agachama. That is how it comes. Since a participle verb is desired to be used here, gatavatyaha, and the speaker is feminine, therefore the feminine participle must be used. Okay? Then Pati's husband asks, Karyakramaha katham asit. How was the program? How was the program? Three words are required in English also. Karyakramaha katham asit. Katham is an avyaya, remember. In every conversation we are getting so many avyayas being used. Are watching? Eva, api, kintu, tu, naiva, samyak, tatha, yatha, tada, yada. All these are avyayas. Once you remember them as an avyaya with the meaning, it becomes very easy. Look at this. Karyakramaha, one word, program. Katham, how, interrogative avyaya, meaning is how. Asit was. How was the program? That is, Vidyalayasya Varshikotsava Karyakramaha Katham Asit. Intended meaning, right? How was the program? Program of the annual day of the school. Patni replies, Samyak Asit. With one avyaya, one verb. Samyak Asit. It was well. It was nice. Samyak Asit. What is the past tense of, what is this past tense of Asti? Asti becomes Asit. In the future it becomes Bhavishyati. The same verb becomes Bhavishyati in the future tense. Samyak Asit. It was nice. Param, again avyaya. But, Kinchit avyaya. Dirghaha Karyakramaha Asit. But, the program was a little prolongated, long. Kinchit dirghaha karyakramaha asit. But the program was a bit prolonged. Dirghaha karyakramaha asit. It was nice. Samyak asit. Then the husband asked, Ke karyakrama asan. Karyakramaha understood. Visarga is gone there. Ke karyakramaha asan. Now, Karyakrama is used in Bahuvachana. Karyakramaha, program. Karyakramau, Karyakramaha. Like Devaha, Devau, Devaha. Okay? This is a subjective case, plural number. Look at the interrogative pronoun kim, kaha, kau, ke. Kaha, kau, ke in Pullinga Shabda. Karyakrama being masculine, the questioning interrogative pronoun also needs to be in the masculine. Can you say ka karyakrama? No, you can't say. Ka karyakrama won't go. Kaha karyakrama? Kidrushaha karyakrama. Okay? So here ke karyakrama asan. What were the programs? What were the programs? Ke karyakramaha asan. Now the verb also has changed from asit to asan. You remember that? Asit, third person singular. Astam, dual. Asan, plural. Were. W-E-R-E, were. What were all the programs? KK. If it were singular, can you make it singular? Srinivas, this sentence you can do it. KK. No. I want you to do this sentence into completely convert into singular. Kaha. Repeat kaha. Yes, correct. Then verb? Asit. That's it. Kaha karyakramaha asit. Or ke karyakramaha asan. That's it. You got it. Now Patni says, Nutananam karyakramanam ayojanam krutavantaha. They did add new programs in the annual day. Nutananam karyakramanam ayojanam krutavantaha. Krutavanta means they did. Ayojanam, adding of new programs into that. So Nutananam karyakramanam. What is the vibhakti here? Nutananam karyakramanam. Of new programs, addition of new programs, addition, ayojanam, addition of new programs, Nutananam Shashti Bahuvachana, sixth case plural, Karyakramanam also sixth plural, ayojanam, adding of new programs, they did, krutavantaha, they did, krutavan, krutavantau, krutavantaha, this is participle verb. Rajasthani Geetasya Nutyam. There was the dance of Rajasthani Geetasya, sorry. There was a dance of the song of Rajasthani, on the song of Rajasthan. Nutyam Balikanam Asit. And that was a dance of the girls on the Rajasthani song. What is the meaning here? A dance, a nutyam, a dance of balikanam, of girls, a dance of girls on the Rajasthani song, on the song of Rajasthan. A dance of girls on the song of Rajasthan was there in the program. Got it? I'll read again. Rajasthani Geetasya, the song of Rajasthan. Nutyam Balikanam Asit. There was a dance of girls based on the song of Rajasthan. Now you got it?
Yes.
There was a song of girls performed by girls based on the song of Rajasthan. Balakanam and of the boys, Hindi Geetasya Nutyam Asit. There was a dance of the boys performed by the boys based on the Hindi song. Then Pati asks, Kevalam Nutyam Asit Kim? Was there only dance? Was there only a dance program? Like Kevalam Avyaya. Nutyam Asit Kim? Kim is an Avyaya. You can shift Kim also. Kim Kevalam Nutyam Asit? That can also be said. Kevalam Nutyameva Asit? Nutyam Asit Kim? Kim can come either in the beginning of the sentence or at the end. Kim Kevalam Nutyam Asit you can say, or Kevalam Nutyam Asit Kim. Was there only dance? Then Patni replies, Naiva. No, not at all. Shikshakanam Samskrita Natakam Asit. There was a dance of the teachers in Sanskrit. Shikshakanam, teachers, Samskrita Natakam Asit. There was a Sanskrit drama of the performed by the teachers, of the teachers. Te samyak na krutavantaha. And the wife replies here, reports rather, te shikshakaha, those teachers, samyak na krutavantaha. They did not do well. The teachers did not perform the dance well. Te shikshakaha, those teachers, samyak na krutavantaha. If they did well, samyak krutavantaha. Samyak na krutavantaha. Janaha api artham agnatva. So there is a little criticism on Sanskrit now here in this lesson, conversation. Janaha api, people also, artham agnatva, not knowing the meaning of Sanskrit, kolahalam krutavantaha, did a lot of noise in the program. Kolahalam krutavantaha, artham agnatva, not knowing the meaning of Sanskrit, janaha api, people also, audiences also, artham agnatva, kolahalam krutavantaha, they did some noise there. So krutavan krutavantau krutavantaha. Who did? Janaha krutavantaha. Now in this sentence also, janaha api avyaya. And remaining you can understand. Agnatva means not knowing. Gnatva, knowing. Agnatva, not knowing. Opposite. Kolahalam krutavantaha. Then Pati asks, Balakanam natakam na asitva. This is another way of asking question. The above sentence, there is a question with kim tag. Got it? What is the kim tag? Kevalam nutyam asit kim. Now here va is used. Va is also used in questioning, interrogation. So what is the husband asking here? Balakanam natakam na asitva. Na asit kim. You can replace va with kim also. Balakanam nutyam na asit kim. Was there no dance of boys? Was there no dance of boys? Balakanam natakam, drama. Here is drama. Balakanam natakam na asitva. Was there no drama of the boys? Then Patni replies, wife, Naiva. Not at all. Arambhe eva yuvatinam swagata nrutyam asit. Right in the beginning, yuvatinam, young women's swagata nrutyam asit. There was a dance by the young women right in the beginning. Got it? Yes. Aparaha karyakramaha ati visishtaha. And there was another program. Aparaha means anyaha. Another. Karyakramaha program ati visishtaha. Very special was there. Now then husband asks, kaha karyakramaha. What is that? Ati visishtaha saha ati visishtaha karyakramaha kaha kidrushaha. What type of program was that special? Kaha karyakramaha, in brief. What program? Then Patni says, Panchabhutanam Melanam iti. The title of the program was Panchabhutanam Melanam. Joining of all the 5 basic elements. Panchabhutas. You know what are Panchabhutas? Bhurapognir marunnavaha. There is another way of saying Bhurapognir marunnavaha. Bhumihi apaha navaha. Bhurapo apaha. Bhumi apaha. Marut navaha. So navaha is Akasha. Bhumi, earth, water, fire, air, ether. These are the 5 elements which are called Panchabhutas. Panchabhutanam Melanam. That was the caption of this program. Iti prathamam, first bhumihi, first bhumi, akashaha, pavanaha, air, pavakaha, fire, agnihi, jalam, etesham. Of all these, prutak nrutyam, there was a separate dance highlighting the importance of these 5 elements of nature. Anantaram, later, which is Anavya Srinivas. Anantaram, Sarvesham militva nrityam. And later there was a dance mixing all the 5 elements, Panchabhutas. Militva nrityam. Madhye madhye, in between, what was there? Sambhashanam ityukte nritya rupakam asit. There was also conversation in between. Madhye madhye sambhashanam iti ukte. Now you split this word iti plus ukte. When said in between there was conversation, that means nritya rupakam asit. There was a musical ballet. Okay? Nritya, dance ballet, sorry, not musical, dance ballet. Nritya Rupakam, we can translate as, literally it was a dance ballet with conversation in between. Then Pati asked, Karyakarmastu Samyak Asit. The program was okay. Samyak Asit. Tathaiva, similarly, Alankara Hapi Asan Kim. Were there also decorations? Program was fine. Were there also decorations? Similarly, Alankara api asan kim? Now this is another question by the husband. So Patni says, Deepanam alankaraha. There was a decoration of lights. Deepanam alankaraha. Dhvani vardhakanam. There was also exhibition, alankara, decoration of Dhvani Vardhakam in loudspeakers. Pushpanam, there was also decoration of flowers. Phalanam, of fruits. Ityadinam, Bahuvidah Alankara Asan. Like this, there were several decorations in the annual day of lights, of loudspeakers, of flowers, of fruits, and other varieties, of many other varieties. Ityadinam Bahuvidah Alankaraha Asan. There were variety of decorations there, beginning with this. So this is how this Varshikotsava Varnana, description of the school annual day, is done. And we will go back and rapidly find out these highlighted avyayas. Srinivas. Patihi. Yaha is avyaya. We will find out not only these, we will also find out other. Yes, Yaha yesterday, avyaya. Second line, Katham is avyaya. Samyak is highlighted here. Proper, well. Samyak asid, well, nice. And Param is avyaya, Kinchit is avyaya. But only 3 are highlighted here. Naiva, Api, Samyak. But we will also find them out. Then Naiva. Patni, Naiva means not at all. Api also is there. Then Naiva repeated. Eva means only, which we have already come across. Samyak down there, Pati's dialogue, like that. You can very easily find out. So remember, these avyayas, Srinivas, come to help us a lot in understanding the text in Sanskrit. Whether it is poem or prose, the avyayas play a very dominant and easing role. They easen the burden of these learners. We'll go to next conversation very conveniently. Right?
Yes.
Page 52. And what is the conversation? A very short one here. Yatra Chitika Rakshanam. Yatra Chitika Rakshanam. You know what is Yatra? Yatra means journey. Chitika means ticket. Chitika Arakshanam. Arakshanam is reservation. Not Rakshanam, Arakshanam. Reserving the ticket for traveling. For travel. Reserving a ticket for travel. That is the meaning of the conversation. Yatra Chitika Arakshanam. With a sandhi there is. Chitika plus Arakshanam. Arakshanam is reservation. So, and the highlights in this lesson are the verbs asa, ni, in a particular mood, imperative mood. Lot means, asa, ni. What is asa dhatu? We have just studied asti, staha, santi. And ni is a verb which means to take. Ni naya, nayati, nayataha, nayanti. Asti, staha, santi. Asa is an auxiliary verb. Ni is a regular verb. And these two verbs are to be derived in lot, means imperative mood. So a very short one, let us read. Prabandhakaha, the manager says here. Prabandhaka means manager. Mahesha, adya arakshanartam रेलयान निस्थानकं गच्छतु द्वयोः हरिद्वार गमनाय यात्रा चिटिकाम् आनयतु.
Mahisha says, Arya, Adya Maya Saha
बालाचार्यः अपि
अपि आगच्छति. आवां ततः शिवाजी नगरं गच्छामः.
प्रबन्धक से गच्छावः. यस, प्रबन्धक सेस् अद्य कार्यालय कार्यं नास्ति वा, कदा आगच्छतः?
Mahisha says, रात्रौ
आगच्छावः. प्रबन्धक सेस् शिवाजी नगरे कः अस्ति, बालाचार्यं किमर्थं नयति?
Mahisha says, शिवाजी नगरे मम भगिनी अस्ति. मम भगिनी बालाचार्यस्यापि बन्धुः. अतः सा उक्तवती बालाचार्यमपि आनयतु इति. अतः तत्र गच्छामः.
प्रबन्धक सेस् तत्र कोऽपि विशेषः अस्ति किम्?
Mahisha says, मम
आवुत्तस्य
किञ्चित्
अस्वास्थ्यमिति.
अतः तत्र गत्वा तं दृष्ट्वा
आगच्छावः. प्रबन्धक सेस् भवतु कार्यविषये चिन्तयतां शीघ्रं गत्वा आगच्छताम्. So this is, as I just explained the title here, Yatra Chitika Arakshanam. Yatra Chitikayaha Arakshanam. You know, Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Chitika, Kanya. Yatra Chitika, ticket for traveling. Yatra Chitikayaha Arakshanam. Reserving a ticket for travel. So here one manager, Prabandhaka, says, asking his employee maybe, Mahesha, hey Mahesh, Adya Arakshanartham, for the sake of reserving, Relayana Nisthanakam, railway station, Gachatu, you may go. You may go to railway station today. Today you may go to railway station for reserving a ticket. Okay? Gachatu, this is lot. Gachatu. Dvayoho, what I told you just now, Srinivas, I thought this lesson highlights asa and ni in imperative mode, lot. But lot is generally used here. Gachatu, anayatu is there. Gachatu is also there. Gacha dhatu is not there. Lot in general has to be studied here. Gachatu means you go. You may go. Dvayoho haridvara gamanaya yatra chitikam anayatu. Bring two tickets for going to Haridwar. Haridvara gamanaya, for going to Haridwar. Yatra chitikam anayatu. Dvayoho means for two people. Dvayoho krute. You know, in the previous class we studied one away, krute, for the sake of. So we can use that here. Dvayoho krute, for the sake of two people. Haridvara gamanaya, for going to Haridwar, destination. Yatra chitikam anayatu. Bhavan anayatu. What is implied here in this? Bhavan. Okay? He Mahesha, Bhavan, Dvayoho, Haridvara gamanaya, Yatra chitikam anayatu. You may bring tickets for two people for going to the Haridwar. So Mahesh informs Arya. What is Arya meaning? Sir. Because the manager is speaking. Sir, Adya today, Maya Saha Balacharya api agachati. Today, Balacharya, one more employee of colleague maybe, Balacharya also comes along with me today, he says. So here the usage, you have already done this. Maya Saha, along with me. Balacharya api agachati. Avam tataha Shivaji Nagaram gachavaha. Then we will go to Shivaji Nagar from there. Avam tataha, then from there, Shivaji Nagaram Gaccha. We will go to Shivaji Nagar. Then Prabandhaka, the manager asks, Adya Karyalaya Karyam Nasti va? Today, is there no office work? Adya Karyalaya Karyam Nasti va? Kada Agachatah? When do you both come back, return? Kada Agachatah? Agachati Agachata. This is a simple present tense. Kada Agachatah means when will you both come? Used in futuristic sense. You remember there is something I told you. Whenever a simple present tense is used in the intending the near future, it gives future sense. Now look at this. Kada agachatah. When the manager is asking, when will you both come? Although the verb agachatah is in present tense, got it? Although the verb is used in present tense, it gives the immediate future sense. We need not put this present tense verb in future tense, like kada agamishyatah. We need not say that. Kada agamishyatah. That is the meaning intended by this simple present tense, kada agachatah. Okay? Then the Mahesh employee informed, Ratrau agachavaha. How do you translate this? Ratrau agachavaha. We will be coming at night. We will come at night. Future only you take, although it is present tense simple. So Prabandhaka says, Shivaji Nagare kaha asti. Who is there in the Shivaji Nagar? Shivaji Nagare kaha asti. Who is there? Balacharyam kimartham nayati. And why are you taking Balacharya with you? Balacharyam kimartham. Look, kimartham is an avyaya. Kimartham nayati. Why are you taking Balacharya with you? Then the person Mahesh replies here, Shivaji Nagare mama bhagini asti. In Shivaji Nagar, this is a place called Shivaji Nagar in Bangalore, maybe it is. Shivaji Nagare, in the place called Shivaji Nagar, mama bhagini asti. My sister lives. Mama bhagini balacharyasyapi bandhuhu. Mama bhagini balacharyasya api. Break there. What sandhi we said? Mama bhagini balacharyasyapi. Savanadira sandhi. So simple joining this is balacharyasya shashti plus api. Balacharyasya api bandhuhu. My sister is also a relative of Balacharya. Okay? Ataha, therefore, avyaya. Sa uktavati, she said. Who said? My sister said. Sa bhagini uktavati, my sister said. Balacharyamapi anayatu iti. Please bring Balacharya also along with you. Balacharyam api anayatu. This is lot Srinivas, imperative mode. Anayatu means you may bring Balacharya also. Iti means this is direct speech when you say. Balacharyamapi anayatu iti. Thus she said, bring Balacharya also. Ataha tatra gacchava. Therefore we are going there. Why? Now this is the answer to the manager's question. Why are you going to Shivaji Nagar? He said Shivaji Nagare mama bhagini asti. Balacharyaha mama bhagini balacharyasya api bandhuhu. Sa uktavati, she said, Balacharyam api anayatu iti. Ataha, therefore, tatra gacchavaha. Therefore, we are going there. Tatra is an avyaya, which means there. Then the manager says, Prabandhaka, tatra kopi visheshaha asti kim. Is there any speciality? Is there any special thing going there? Tatra kopi visheshaha asti kim. Then Mahesh informs, Mama avuttasya kinchit aswastham asti. Aswastham iti. Now, iti always comes, Srinivas, in reporting, in direct speech. Mama avuttasya kinchit aswastham iti. We are going there since, what is the meaning of avutta here? Avutta means brother-in-law. Brother-in-law. because he is going to his Bhagini's house, sister's house. So sister's husband is called Avuttaha in Sanskrit. Mama Avuttasya, my brother-in-law's, Kinchit, my brother-in-law has here. Now here is Shashti Vibhakti. Mama Avuttasya, my brother-in-law has Kinchit little. What does he has? What does he have little? He has a little aswasthyam, illness. Okay? My brother-in-law has a bit of ill health. Kinchit. My brother-in-law has a bit of illness. That's why we are going. Ataha, therefore, tatra gatva. Therefore, we first will go there. Tam društva, and will see him. Agacchava, and will return back. Now, you can also understand this. Tatra gatva, tam društva. What are these? What are these? Participle. We have studied, na? Gatva, društva. Participle, tvanta. Now, just now, tavatu, agatavan, gatavan, nitavan, is na? Gatva, tyaktva deham punarjanma neti mameti so Arjuna. Sarva dharman parityajya. So many places you come across this lepanta and tvanta. So this is tvanta. Tatra gatva, having gone there, tam društva, having seen him, agacchavaha, will return. Got it? And finally, Prabandhaka says, bhavatu. Okay, you know what is the meaning of bhavatu? Astu. Karya vishaye chintayatam. Now you both think about work, job, your job. Shigram gatva agacchatam. What is the karya here? What is the work assigned to this employee? Vijay, what is his name? Mahesh. To buy ticket for going to Haridwar. So karya vishaye chintayatam. Think about your assigned job. Shigram, another avyaya. Gatva, going there, agacchatam, return. Go there fast and you both of you return. Okay? Now this is how this conversation is. Yatra chitika rakshanam. So we will again see where are these highlighted asa and ni and lot. Adya is avyaya. Gacchatu is lot, Srinivas. Gacchatu means you may go. Anayatu, lot. Anayatu, anayatam, anayantu. Gacchatu, can you derive? Better you derive. Gacchatu, gacchatam, gacchantu. Lot, third person. Gacchatu, gacchatam, gacchantu. Gaccha, gacchatam, gacchata. Gacchani, gacchava, gacchama. First person. Okay? Similarly, anayatu, anayatam, anayantu. Anaya, anayatam, anayata. Anayani, anayava, anayama, in the first person. Then asti. Shivaji Nagare kaha asti. You looking? Now this is the present tense. Of what verb? Highlighted verb here? Asa. Asa. Now this is very close to sounding English, Srinivas. Asti means what? English is. Is is. Although it is written is, how is it pronounced? Is. Z. It is not is. If you say is there, it is laughable. Is there, is. So as dhatu, that is the same. As dhatu. And I told you in some class, bhu dhatu is also there in English as B form, B. There are so many, because Sanskrit being Indo-European family belonging to, words are there. So asti. What is kimartam I said? Avyaya. Asti is again Mahesh dialog. Asti. Again asti. I think in this lesson asti is mostly repeated in this conversation. Okay?
Nayati is also.
Where?
Balacharyam kimartham nayati.
Nayati. Nayati is ni dhatu used in say present tense. Nayati. Nayati nayataha nayanti. And I have pointed out gatva and društva, which are participle verbs. Gatva, tatra gatva, tam društva, agachava. Bhavatu, lot. This is bhavatu lot. Okay. Karya vishaye chintayatam shigram gatva agachatam. Okay, so very fine. Now the next one, conversation is also a short one. Parikshayai sajjata. Sajjata means preparation for the exam. Parikshayai. What is pariksha shabda, by the way? Akaranta strilinga shabda. Pariksha, parikshe, parikshaha. Kanya, kanye, kanyaha. Kanyayai, ambayai, sitayai. So parikshayai, for the sake of the examination. Sajjata, preparation. Sajjata, preparation. Preparation for the exam. That's the title. And highlight is here saptami. Saptami bahuvachanam. Locative case, seventh case, saptami, locative, and bahuvachana is bahuvachana, plural number. That is the highlighted point here. Shikshaka says, Chhatraha pariksha sannihita asti samyak patantu. Ananta, you read.
Yes, Ananta says, Pariksha kutra pracharishyati.
Shikshaka says, Sarveshu prakostheshu kakshyasu क्रमसंख्यां स्थापयामः परीक्षा अस्माकं विद्यालये एव भविष्यति इदानीं सर्वे अपि छात्राः बहिः गच्छन्तु.
किमर्थम् आचार्य अद्य एव
संख्यां
स्थापयन्ति
किम्? So शिक्षक says इदानीं भवन्तः सर्वेषु प्रकोष्ठेषु स्वच्छतां कुर्वन्तु उत्पीठिकासु अपि धूलिं मार्जयन्तु कृष्णफलकेषु अपि धूलिं मार्जयित्वा दिनाङ्कादिकं लिखन्तु.
राजीवः says आचार्य
सर्वेपि
कार्यं न
कुर्वन्ति केचन बहिः अटन्ति. समर्मु. शिक्षक says बालकेषु एकं प्रमुखं करोमि बालिकासु एकां प्रमुखां करोमि यदि क्रीडाङ्गणेषु क्रीडन्ति तर्हि दण्डम् आनयामि केचन द्रोणीषु जलं पूरयित्वा आनयन्तु.
मार्जनार्थं वस्त्राणि कुत्र सन्ति?
शिक्षक वस्त्राणि वस्तुसङ्ग्रहप्रकोष्ठे सन्ति तत्र गत्वा आनयन्तु.
छात्रः says आचार्य वयं गच्छामः सज्जतां कुर्मः.
So here is what I said, preparation for the exam, and generally students don't do the preparation. Here in the conversation we are given to understand that students are only preparing the classrooms for themselves to write the examination, given to understand that way, right? Now Shikshaka says Chhatraha Sambodhana Bho Chhatraha, my students, Pariksha Sannihita Asti. Examination is close by. Sannihita, close by, nearby. Examination is nearby, is coming very near. Sannihita. Sannihita means very close. Pariksha, therefore it is used in Strilinga. Pariksha Sannihita Asti. The examination is very close by. Samyak, again Samyak has come. Patantu. You may all read well. Prepare well, read well. Then one boy, student asks, Pariksha kutra prachalishyati, where will the examination take place? Pariksha kutra prachalishyati, where will it take place? Future tense. Shikshaka replies to that, Sarveshu prakostheshu kakshyasu. Either you use prakoshta shabda, we came across in the previous lesson only, conversation. Prakoshta is pullinga shabda. Prakoshteshu, in the rooms. Sarveshu prakoshteshu, in all the rooms. Saptami bahuvachanam. And if you don't want to use prakoshta shabda, there is one more shabda, kakshya, which is akaranta. If you use that, then sarveshu won't go with this. Then you have to change this. Sarvasu kakshyasu. That you should have given sarvasu. If we use kakshyasu, then the pronoun will be sarvasu kakshyasu. If you use the masculine noun prakosteshu sarveshu will come. So sarveshu prakosteshu athava or sarvasu kakshyasu krama sankyam sthapayamaha. We are going to put sthapayamaha means right, put krama sankyam, the what we call roll numbers. We are going to write the roll numbers in all the rooms. Pariksha asmakam vidyalaye eva bhavishyati. Examination will take right in our school only, in the school itself. Examination will take place in the school itself. Vidyalaye eva, this is avya, eva only. Bhavishyati or prachalishyati. You can replace prachalishyati. Idanim now avyaya sarve api chhatraha bahihi gacchantu. Idanim now sarve api chhatraha bahihi gacchantu. Let all the students now, right now, go out of the rooms. Idanim sarve api chhatraha bahihi gacchantu. So this is imperative mood. Gacchantu, gacchatu, gacchatam, gacchantu. Chhatraha gacchantu. Bahihi is an avyaya once more. Bahihi means outside. So bahihi antarasya sarvasya. Bahi is a very common avyaya. In Hindi it has become bahar. Hindi bhashayam, bahar. So then Shikshaka says,
no, Ananta, kimartham acharya.
Ananta says, kimartham acharya adyeva sankyam sthapayanti kim. Sir, why only today you are writing the roll numbers? Kimartham acharya, why, what for, sir? Adya eva, today itself, sankyam sthapayanti kim. Why are you writing the roll numbers right today itself? Yes. Then anything analysis here? Adya eva, both are avyayas. Today only, today itself. Sankyam sthapayanti kim. Why are you writing the roll numbers today itself? Then Shikshaka says, Idanim bhavantaha sarveshu prakosteshu swachchatam kurvantu. Now you all go and you may clean all the rooms. Do the cleaning in all the rooms. Sarveshu prakosteshu swachchatam kurvantu. You go and do the cleaning in all the rooms. Utpitikasu api. Even on the tables. Utpitikasu api. Even on the tables, dhulim marjayantu, you mop up the dirt. Dhuli means dirt, dust. Dhulim mapayantu. Now here the word mop comes in English, mop. You know there is a mop called. Mapayantu means clean the dirt even on the tables. Dhulim mapayantu, marjayantu, mapayantu. Sammarjana means cleaning. So English we say mop, of course. Krishna palakeshu api, even on the blackboards. Krishna palakeshu api, even on the, api means also, even on the blackboards. Dhulim marjayitva, cleaning the dirt, even on the blackboards. Dinankadikam likhantu, write the date, etc. Date, year, etc. Dinankadikam likhantu. No, this is imperative mode everywhere. Marjayitva is tvanta prayoga. Then the one student Rajiva says, Acharya, sir, sarvepi karyam na kurvanti. All are not doing the work. You are asking us to do, but all students are not doing. Sarvepi karyam na kurvanti. Kechana, few, bahihi atanti. Some students are roaming outside. Kechana chhatraha, understood. Bahihi, outside, atanti. Atati, atata, atataha, atanti. Atati means roaming. Some are roaming outside. So Shikshaka says, Balakeshu ekam pramukham karomi. Then he says, I will make one boy, pramukham means captain of the class. Among the boys, Balakeshu means here, among the boys, ekam one, pramukham karomi. I will make one fellow important or captain. Representative, in other words. Pramukham means, literally means important one, responsible one, or the captain. Balikasu ekam. Now you can have to watch the usage here. Balakeshu ekam. Numeral ekam. Balakeshu pullinga. Balikasu, not ekam, ekam. Balakeshu ekam balakam. Balikasu ekam balikam. Ekam kanyam. Right? Pramukham. There pramukham, here pramukham karomi. So if I make one boy as the captain of among the important among the boys, one girl I will make among the girls. Balikasu ekam pramukham karomi. And then yadi kridanganeshu kridanti. In spite of this, yadi kridanganeshu kridanti, if students play in the playground, kridanganeshu kridanti, if they play in the grounds, tarhi, then, now you see the usage here, yadi tarhi. If students play in the grounds, tarhi, then, dandam anayami, I am going to get the stick and beat them up. Dandam anayami means I am going to bring the stick, danda. Stick for what? For dandanartham, for beating. So, kechana dronishu jalam purayitva anayantu. Further he says, kechana, few students, dronishu, in the buckets. Droni is bucket. We were introduced in the first book only. Droni, dronyam, dronyoho, dronishu. No, this is Strilinga Shabda only. Dronishu jalam purayitva, filling the water in buckets, bring. A few should may bring water filled in the buckets. Anayantu. Anayatu, anayatam, anayantu. This is lot. Third person plural. Malati says, marjanartham vastrani kutra santi. Marjanartham vastrani kutra santi. Where are the clothes for cleansing the blackboards, benches, etc. Marjanartham, sammarjanartham, you can say. Vastrani kutra santi. Now vastrani, understand, vastram, vastre, vastrani, akaranta, napamsakalinga. Therefore the verb is also plural. Asti, staha, santi. Vastrani kutra santi. Where are the clothes for cleansing the benches, etc. Shikshaka informs, vastrani vastu sangraha prakoste santi. The clothes are there in the go down. Vastu sangrahana prakosta. There is a room where all these things are. Go down. They are there in the go down. Tatra gatva, going there, anayantu, you may get. Having gone there, you may get. Then finally the students say, Acharya, sir, vayam gacchamaha, we are going. Sajjatam kurmaha, we will do the cleaning work of the benches as you come on. So let us just go back. Saptami Bahuvachanas locate. Sarveshu prakostheshu. Srinivas. Vidyalaye also Saptami Ekavachana. Vidyalaye eva. Again, Shikshakas. Sarveshu prakostheshu. Second time used. Utpitikasu. Underline that word. Show them. Utpitikasu. Utpitikayam, utpitikayoho, utpitikasu on the tables. Krishna palakeshu, saptami bahuvachana. Seventh case, plural number. Marjayitva is tvanta. Likantu, lot, imperative mode. Balakeshu, saptami bahuvachana. Bale, balayoho, balakeshu. Balikasu, balikayam, balikayoho, balikasu. Kridanganeshu, Saptami Bahuvachana, seventh plural. Dronishu, this is also seventh case plural. Purayitva is Tvanta. Vastrani. Vastu Sangraha Prakosthe, this is Ekavachana, singular number of seventh case, Saptami Ekavachana. That's it. Shubham Bhuyat. We'll meet again in the next class.